Hello, this is Sally Manke. I'm a fiber artist at Quilt Week for American Quilters Society, and I just have a quick tip for you because it's so important to keep your sewing machine clean. I have this little brush that's used for art because I'm an art quilter, but I found that the little tip that you have with it is just perfect for getting that extra thread, that little crumb out of your machine so that everything stays operating efficiently. This happens to be a Bernina 770 with the pop-off throat plate, so it's easy to just stop for a minute, clean everything out, pop your bobbin down. This tool works equally well in your bobbin. Thank you for stopping by.